Everyday roasting pan. This roasting pan includes a non-stick roasting rack designed to rest at the ideal height within the roaster, keeping the food cooking out of oils and excess juices. Perfect for roasting meats, poultry, fish and vegetables. Superior heat conduction and even baking. This pan is made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. Non-stick coating. This roasting pan set is silicone-based and has a non-stick coating for ease of baking and cleanup. MEASURMENTS. Non-stick roast pan with non-stick rack measures 13 by 9 by 2-1/4 inch and is heat safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Dishwasher safe. This pan is dishwasher safe, however hand washing is recommended to extend the product life. You'll be ready to take on even the largest meat with this pan. Large stainless steel handles ensure easy maneuvering of the pan, and handles on rack make for easy transportation from pan to cutting board. This pan's wire rod reinforcement and folded corners enforce high-quality construction and ensures no warping or popping in your oven. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Not intended to be used under the broiler. Sharp-edged utensils and knives should not be used. At Chicago Metallic, we believe that serious baking requires serious bakeware. That's why we've been crafting innovative equipment for professionals and serious home bakers for over 100 years. We've built a global reputation, one kitchen at a time. People know our products are built for durability and can be depended on year after year. We're proud to offer 3 distinct lines of premium bakeware plus stylish, innovative specialty bakeware and baking essentials. The Chicago Metallic Professional line of bakeware makes cooking and baking a delight. The non-stick surface easily releases each recipe and makes cleanup effortless. It's the preferred choice of bakers who understand quality and design, but also want professional-grade durability. Top reviews from the United States. The perfect pan for roasting and super easy cleanup. I finally got fed up trying to clean our old turkey chicken roasting pan and rack. So I came here looking for something better. I found the 10 by 7 and 13 by 9 Chicago Metallic pans. They looked good, so I bought the 10 by 7. When it arrived, it looked just a bit too small for a large chicken and certainly too small for even a small turkey. So I ordered the 13 by 7. It arrived a few days ago and we just tried it out this evening. What a difference! That old pan and rack are in the trash. With this one, both the pan and the rack cleaned up in minutes with just warm water and soap. I don't know why it took me so long to do this, but I am so happy that I did. These are perfect for roasting.